The UK Ministry of Defence plans to purchase Vamtac Rapid Ranger 4x4 air defence vehicles, armed with Starstreak high-velocity missiles and Martlet lightweight multirole missiles. The new air defense systems are intended to replace 6 Stormer high-velocity missile systems that were transferred to Ukraine in 2023. The Ministry of Defence has expressed its intention to acquire a total of 12 Vamtac Rapid Ranger vehicles to enhance the existing air defence capabilities of the British Army. Vamtac Rapid Ranger is a rapid response system capable of firing multiple missiles and can be mounted on both wheeled and tracked vehicles. It is lightweight, remotely controlled, and highly automated. The system is designed to defeat not only air threats like unmanned aerial vehicles, jets, and helicopters, but also capable of defeating light vehicles like armored personal carriers. It is capable of firing Starstreak anti-air missile and the Martlet lightweight multirole missiles, which has a shaped charge warhead and proximity fuse for both air and land threats. The addition of an integral 360-degree surveillance sensor provides the Vamtac Rapid Ranger with completely autonomous system operation for 24/7 force protection. Vamtac Rapid Ranger can also be integrated into a network-enabled force structure and can be coordinated with early warning command and control system, tracking a number of prioritized targets. The Vamtac Air Defense Vehicle is an extremely versatile military platform designed and produced by the Spanish company Urevesa. Since its introduction in the late 1990s, the Vamtac has been comparable in design and function to the American Humvee, offering a 4x4 configuration that ensures tactical mobility across various terrains. The vehicle has undergone various updates and adaptations over the years to meet different operational requirements. Primarily used for reconnaissance, troop transport, and special operations, the Vamtac is equipped to carry anti-tank and air defense systems. Specifically for air defense, the Vamtac can be fitted with platforms such as the high-velocity missile system and lightweight multirole missiles, enabling it to effectively engage aerial targets. This adaptability makes the Vamtac a suitable choice for modern armies looking for a light, mobile air defense solution. The new Vamtac vehicles will not differ significantly in terms of functionality from the Stormer high-velocity missile systems. Unlike the track-mounted version, the Vamtac is equipped with 4 mounts for Starstreak or Martlet missiles, as well as a launcher and an integrated detection and guidance system. This acquisition is part of the British Army's program to purchase light and mobile air defense systems, considered a temporary solution until a specialized platform is developed. Vamtac can be armed with wide ranges of weapons systems such as 7.62mm machine gun and 12.7mm gun, 40mm grenade launchers, anti-tank guided missiles, 81mm mortar, 106mm recoilless rifle or air defense missile systems. The armored variant of Vamtac offers ballistic protection. It features a strengthened body which is completely made of ballistic materials for increased protection. It is also equipped with roof-suspended seats and reinforced suspension. Around 25% of the Spanish Army Vamtacs were fitted with add-on armor kits for ballistic protection. The vehicle is powered by a Steyr-turbocharged 6-cylinder diesel engine coupled to an Allison AT542 4-speed automatic gearbox. Producing a maximum power output of 188 horsepower, the engine provides a top speed of 135 kilometers per hour. The 110 liters capacity fuel tank allows the vehicle to travel over 600 kilometers. Vamtac is air transportable by C-130 transport aircraft and can be carried as an external load underneath the CH-47 Chinook helicopter. Thales, which showcased a Euro Vamtac armed with Starstreak high-velocity missiles and Martlet lightweight multirole missiles at the GBAD Expo, confirmed that the system was ready for procurement and had already been purchased by Indonesia, Malaysia, and Saudi Arabia. The current short-range air defense system used by the Royal Artillery is the Starstreak high-velocity missile system, optimized to defeat air threats including fast jets and helicopters in seconds. The Starstreak missile is designed to be launched from land, sea, or air platforms, although in practice only land-based versions have been fielded operationally. On land, the missiles can be launched from the shoulder, in traditional manpad style. They can be integrated within portable stand-type lightweight multiple launchers that carry 3 ready-to-fire rounds, which can be mounted on light vehicles. They can also be provided as box-type launchers for integration on armored vehicles, such as the Stormer. In use with the British Army since 1997, this service employs crew-served versions of the weapons, as well as mounting the missiles on Stormer-tracked armored vehicles. The Stormer has 8 ready-to-fire rounds, 12 reloads, and a roof-mounted targeting package including an infrared sensor. The Stormer HVM system is a high-mobility short-range air defense system that combines the Alvis Stormer armored vehicle with the Starstreak short-range surface-to-air missile. This system is manufactured by the British company Alvis Vickers, now BAE Systems Land and Armaments. The Stormer HVM is 5.6 meters long, 2.8 meters wide, and 3.4 meters high. It weighs 13.5 tons, including the missile and armored vehicle. The Stormer HVM is built on the Alvis Stormer armored vehicle platform, a tracked, lightweight, and highly mobile vehicle. The hull is made entirely of welded aluminum armor to protect against small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. The vehicle's crew consists of 3 people, a driver, a commander, and a gunner,